So, you guys, singer and Sangoma Kelly Khumalo finally opens up about raising a child of a man who physically abused her. You guys, she says, especially if the child looks exactly like the man who was physically mooring you to a pulp. You guys, she says that it's about time that women open up about this whole situation. You guys, people were, shocked at her opening up about Um, this whole topic, you guys, because she hadn't said anything about raising Jub Jub, this child. You guys, of course, she was of course referring to the child that she has with rapper and TV host Jub Jub. You guys, this is her scenario with Jub Jub, who moored her to a pulp daily back then. You guys, Kelly Kumalo still has like pictures of her face is bruised up from being moored to a pulp by Jub Jub. You guys, please take a listen to this and do not forget to engage with me in the comment section. And of course, do make sure that you do share this video so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video.
There's one thing that we probably never talk about at all, especially as single moms. Raising children or a child of a man who physically abused you. Even more so, that child looks exactly like that person. How much of healing it takes to raise a child and see that child for who they are, not who their father is. How godly one has to be to see beyond what is a constant reminder of someone who hurt you. And it's even more so, it's worse if that person continues to hurt you in their absence. Whatever chance they get, they want to step on you and remind you of how they've hurt you in the past. But you continue to be a great mom. You choose to be a great mom. You choose to be a better person and a better parent, and you choose to heal for your child's sake, because at the end of the day, that child is not just the image of his or her father, but your image too. So you choose to see you in them rather than the person who's hurt you. Inzima le. Asikhulumi kodwa inzima.